Okay, this is James Smith at GANanalysis.net. Today I want to show you Bitcoin over gold. This ratio is the top chart here, and then the bottom chart we have the S&P. So immediately what I want to draw your attention to is back in 2017 it formed a top, it went down, and notice here the S&P kept going higher. But, you know, Bitcoin was a new market back then, or relatively new. It just formed a major top. So there was no direct correlation to the S&P. Now, moving forward, notice that in 2020, the ratio topped, turned down. At the same time, the S&P sold off. So there was a direct correlation. They both sold off together, which means, if you think about it, Bitcoin over gold means that, you know, either Bitcoin sold off and gold rallied, or you know, gold rallied a lot and Bitcoin went nowhere. But the reality is gold outperformed Bitcoin wherever you see this ratio going down. And what's interesting, if you look at the double top here, I think this was an important moment for the ratio. Gold has started to outperform in a big way since the double top, and it's just keep going down. And now look at this. If you draw a line, you connect to the 2017 high for the ratio, guess what? Hey, we just tested that and we failed. So does this mean that as the ratio goes down, the S&P will go down? Well, nothing's 100% certain, but, you know, it did work in the past, and it worked over here. Of course, it didn't work here. So we don't know for sure, but I think it's something to keep an eye on. If the ratio starts to dip here, meaning gold outperforms Bitcoin, I think it's possible the S&P will go down as well. So it's just something interesting to follow. I like it. You know, I have a lot more in-depth reports on all of these markets. If you go to my website, www.gananalysis.net, and you click on categories, you'll see the first thing on the list is free reports. Check them out, see what you think. If you like them, think about subscribing. All you have to do is hit the shop button in the upper right corner. Thanks for your time. Hope this has been helpful.